Tape measure? Okay.
I mean, should be string. We took a string and stretched it all, like we used members feet to hold down all the points, and we stretched the string all the way around the perimeter of the figure, and then we stretched out the string, and then we used the tape measure to measure
The string.
length.
The string. Did the red group do it the same way? Okay, what are some other strategies that you could use at all to find perimeter? Yep.
And I was gonna say like make shapes within it, but that wouldn't really be from there because then you'd be inside.
That might be the area. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anybody else? Any other strategies? We thought of one where you could use the rulers instead of the tape measure. Tape measure might have been easier because it was bigger shapes, but for smaller shapes like the one on the worksheet that we will be passing out, it would be easier to use a ruler. So we have a worksheet for you guys. And you guys are going to figure out not only the perimeter from what you just learned outside, but the area as well.
Did you only find the perimeter on there?
And we also have string for you to use. So you can use string, the ruler, your ruler, and then use different methods to find the area as well. Start to work individually first, and then we will work together in pairs to find. Oh yeah, and our for the area, once you get to that, 36 of the little boxes equals 1 square inch. So measure with the perimeter inches, and then the same 36. Did you guys hear that? 36.
Is it going here?
Yep. So that's the perimeter inches, and then the Alright, need some help? Need some help trying holding it down. Good, you're getting there. You guys can start to work together.
But it's still one with
Yes, well, like 36 would be a little one. So like a 6. Yes. Did you And you can work with because I haven't seen them. Some of our end areas. Yeah.
It says 36 of those little boxes is square, if you want a square.
Okay, there.
Yeah, I haven't had many copies.
How else could you do it?
Oh my God.
Is he still not being a student? He's supposed to be a student. Just leave him right here. What's he doing?
Did you find the area?
We were trying to work together.
Kind of escalate what you
Oh, we're not gonna sleep tonight.
I still got another class after this. I'm here till 10 o'clock tonight.
I drink one of them, but I have to drink it
All
in the
right,
morning.
we
But I
need
won't.
to come back to class now.
My head's still now.
And we're gonna have some people volunteer to show their answers for A, Lake A and Lake B.
So did anyone find the perimeter and area of Lake A? Yes, Nate. Can you show us on Alma?
I got 1 foot and 3.5 inches.
That was the perimeter, right?
Yeah, that's what you asked for.
How did you find it?
I took the string and I went all the way around the shape.
Okay. Did anyone try anything different to find the perimeter for Lake A? Or just the string? Okay. So did anyone find the area of Lake A?
Oh, wait,
Yeah.
area of Lake A?
Yeah, can you come up and show us?
See it? Okay. So I broke them up in square inches. So I found squares that fit inside. I think there were 6 of them. And I split them up into triangles. So those triangles are 1/2 squares. And then I just kind of counted up the ones that were left over. And I got 10.5 square inches.
Okay.
finished yet, but I did something else.
Do you want to come up and show us? Do you want to talk about it?
I'll talk about it. So I just, since some of the squares are, cut off by the line, I just tried to make shapes, like, and then started counting, how many were in that, and I was gonna add them. It's not super efficient, but, a different one.
Good, that's what we're going to do. Did anyone do it a different way? Yes.
That's kind of like the first way. Okay, did anyone count the boxes that are outside of the sheet?
I mean, I didn't originally see, but I tried and made a rectangle around the whole shape, found the area of that, and I was trying to find the blocks that were not in the shape, but outside the shape, and I just subtracted from the area of the rectangle by this being the area.
Okay. Did anyone find the perimeter area like we come close to finding the perimeter area like we
No idea.
So what did you have for the perimeter?
13 inches.
13 inches. Okay.
Yeah. All right, so since we didn't have enough time to finish A and B, I'm just going to give you the answers up here. So let's move on to question number 2, and we will talk about it as a class. Naturalists claim that water birds need long shorelines for nesting and fishing. Which lake will better support water birds? So what are you trying to find here?
Trying to find the area or the perimeter? Yeah.
The perimeter,
Primer, how do you know that?
because it's shoreline, so that we on the outside of the line.
Good. So which lake best supports the shoreline for water birds? Brian? Lake A. How do you know? Good.
Okay, so number 3 is sailboaters and water skiers want a lake with room to cruise. Which lake works better for boating and skiing? Are we trying to look for the area or the perimeter for this one?
The area.
And which one has a larger area? Lake A. So Lake A would be better for boating and skiing.
Okay. So number 4, which lake has more space for lakeside campsites? What would you be looking for this one? Perimeter area? Perimeter. And which lake better supports it? Why is that?
Because it has more room.
And our last one is, which lake is better for swimming, boating, and fishing? Which lake is better for the nature preserve? So, which one's the best lake that we found so far? A. So A would be the best for our nature preserve, because we can swim, boat, fish, and birds can live on the perimeter of it. So now we're going to move on to learning about circles.